All right, so I've posted many videos just today alone up on my YouTube channel. Yeah, obviously I'm excited. We've got, well, great weather. Obviously, usually, I mean, it's typical weather we usually have. But today being the 29th of May 2022, we're just possibly a few days past when whatever happened to my right eye happened, and it was also an opportunity to try some things out anyway for my eyesight, because I've been considered legally blind since 1997. More than a month now, I've definitely had sustained 52, 53, 54, 55 continued improvement in my eyesight, and I'm wondering if the neuroplasticity is part of what it is. But at the same time, the reality is this: there's this thing called placebo. And the doctors did say, the big, healers, healthcare professionals said, with this, what do you call it? This is for the eyesight stuff. Plasmapheresis, according to their studies and the protocol I followed with regard to the plasmapheresis, starting July 3rd, and I was out of the hospital the 18th of July 2021, did doing 7 treatments every other day, draining my blood, cleaning it, and putting it back in. Within a year, all the people with optic neuritis improved. 42% in the first 2 weeks during the treatment. Going back to the first time it was done by a doctor, somebody up in Allen, something, Mayo Clinic, back in the early 2000s. So, yeah, I'm excited about that. Hey, what's causing it? I don't know. I mean, I'm doing some ginseng. I did some other stuff that was completely different. It says mega joint stuff. I've got the videos up here. I'm looking at so many different things. I brought wheat back into my diet. Just now I ate some little spaghetti. I put some sauce on top of, I just took eggs out of my diet again a little more than a week ago. But I haven't been doing that for a whole month. So whatever's been going on, and I feel like I'm walking better, definitely stronger, better. People are noticing my better gait. Neighbors. I didn't want to be all excited about it, but at the same time, yeah, I can be excited. I don't want to be excited about these things because the reality is, I think about my children. Maybe they'll get to know their father. It's a typical thing in America, but you know what? I don't want to be excited about anything anymore. I've lost interest in anything, desire for things. This country is just so corrupt. And I relate it back to my body. Fact is, I haven't been the slightest bit sick since 2012. How many people can say that? How many people can say, with multiple sclerosis now for about 30 years, these neurological diseases that I have had, born with lhon, one of 250,000 people in the whole world, affected with Leber's hereditary optic neuropathy. I'm able to tell you that I'm at 4 minutes, 10 seconds right now, 11 seconds, 12 seconds with the left eye. The right eye, here's what's going on with the right eye. The peripheral vision is the biggest improvement. I used to have a lot of, up to about a month ago, a lot of, what do you call that, late brownish, almost reddish color, even orangish. I gotta say it's gone, but then now also I can definitely see, like, for example, my hair. I can see the movement of my hand moving around, but I can see the hair, the contrast of my hair. I gotta do a video with my bangs down for once for y'all. Between, the lighter over here, the darker right here, and then what else can I see with my right eye? Yeah, my nose, the eyes. Wow. So, yeah, My attitude though is I want to get it quick, boom, big healing, immediate. You know, we're over 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna finish this off. Keep a shorter video. I kind of want to be excited, but I don't. You know, it's like you want that big hug from your children all at once. You know, you expect that, you know, the police are going to say, oh shit, these people have been committing serious obstruction and tampering and perjury in courts and to the government all at once. You know, you want that big, just total reversal of all these brain damage all at once, and then the eyes, the supernatural, and that happens. But hey, we are where we are now, and I gotta just give you that little update. I didn't want to put it out there like, maybe I'll try. No, I'm feeling good about it. It's steady and strong. We're at 5:55. What a miracle.